So this is just a quick video to demonstrate my Onstep build. So based around an old Sky Scan 2001 EQ3-2 mount. It's tracking away there at the moment. So see, right extension stepper motor and pulleys, and the deck motor mounted up there. The actual Onstep itself, all set there. Some Cat6 cables connecting everything up. Got some parts 3D printed by a friend. I would say, particularly with some of the mounts, it's handy if you know somebody with a 3D printer, although I'm sure you could bodge it together. That's just a standard stepper motor mount bracket there, £1.50 or a couple of dollars. So we'll just set it up just to test it out. Generally power cable there, which is just a old laptop cable or power charger. Pretty straightforward. So the Wi-Fi is on, connected here, so I can do control here, control the other way. Movement's fairly fine. And what I've just managed to do is it's connected to Stellarium here, so and demonstrate the goto. This is the Stellarium Plus, but let's say let's just pick something relatively near, hit goto, and we're away. Now, the one thing eagle-eyed among you might notice is one of my motors is right extension motor is turning in the wrong direction, but that's a fairly simple thing I just need to correct. So according to that, it's going that way, but the scope is actually going and pointing in the opposite direction. But that's a very simple thing to correct in the firmware. But yeah, really straightforward to build. I had no electronics experience before I did this. There's a bit of soldering, bought myself a soldering iron, did a bit of practicing. Information on the wiki is brilliant, the community there. You know, I ran into a couple of small problems. They get sorted out fairly quick with a lot of advice. So yeah, I would say this is definitely worth trying. Bearing in mind, like the SynScan system to mount to this, it's about £350 in the UK, probably currently a 6-month wait on that. I think I've probably spent £120, £130, including buying a soldering iron and all the connectors I needed and things like that. So it's a fun project. So I would say give it a try. Okay, hopefully this might have inspired somebody to give it a go. Good luck, clear skies.